Hey, picture this. A brand new electric pickup truck you can snag for under 20 grand after incentives, with hand crank windows and zero built-in touchscreen. Yet you can bolt on an SUV kit in your driveway and turn it into a 5-seater family hauler overnight. That's not hype. That's the 2027 Slate Truck EV, and it's about to wreck every boring truck you've ever seen. This thing is pure shock value from the jump. Slate didn't just build another overpriced EV truck, they created a blank canvas on wheels. No fancy paint job eating up factory costs. Just tough gray composite panels straight out of the mold, ready for you to slap on whatever wrap or decals scream your style. It's small, it's boxy, and it looks like nothing else on the road. Think classic mini truck vibes meets mad scientist modularity. The design flips the script completely. At under 175 inches long, it's way shorter than a Ford Maverick, but that 5-foot bed and 1,400-pound payload mean it actually hauls real stuff without pretending to be a monster. Add the SUV kit and boom, enclosed cabin, extra seats, total transformation. Roof racks, off-road tires, open-air doors, over 100 accessories you can swap anytime. This isn't a truck, it's whatever you need it to be. Now the performance that actually matters on the street. Single rear-drive motor pumps out 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 in about 8 seconds, plenty quick to merge, pass, or just feel that instant EV shove every single time. Top speed caps at 90, but who cares when you're not burning gas? Tow 1,000 pounds, haul serious payload, and it feels planted and fun in real driving. No overkill, just usable power that doesn't drain your wallet at the pump or the charger. Tech-wise, Slate kept it brilliantly simple so you don't pay for junk you'll never use. No giant dashboard screen, mount your phone, and you're good. Physical knobs for the HVAC. A digital cluster that flips to rear camera mode. But here's the game changer. NACS port built in, so you plug straight into Tesla Superchargers nationwide. Base battery gives you 150 miles of range. Upgrade to the bigger pack and hit 240. 20 to 80% in under 30 minutes on a fast charger. Easy, reliable, and actually affordable to run. Price tag? Base sits right around $27,000 before incentives, dipping under $20,000 with the federal credit. And yeah, it's absolutely worth it. You only pay for what you actually want. No forced luxury packages. In a world where trucks cost 50 grand and up, this feels like a revolution. One surprising fact most people still don't know. Slate built this thing open source friendly. You can do your own warranty repairs, skip the dealer drama, and customize forever, even years after you buy it. Every truck rolls off the exact same line in Indiana, then you make it yours. If you're tired of trucks that cost a fortune and do too much, the Slate Truck EV is your wake-up call. Drop a like if you're hyped, subscribe to Auto Velocity Reviews right now, and smash that bell so you never miss the next car reveal that actually changes the game. We'll see you in the next one. Let's go.